In this video, you'll learn how to create a customized landing page on Beacons AI, adding various sections and elements to engage your audience. To get started, select the Link in Bio website section from the sidebar, then click the Add Block button to start building your landing page with new content sections. Next, choose the header option to personalize your page's title, then add another block so you can include key highlights like follower count. Now, select the follower count statistic to help visitors understand your reach, and manage your link in bio settings to ensure visitors receive the most up-to-date information. Then pick the header option again for another section and use the Quick Add menu to quickly insert a new element, such as a link or button. Choose the link option from both the left panel and the content area to add a direct link your audience can visit. Add visual interest by selecting the image option and include helpful text sections to further inform your visitors. To boost engagement, pick the new product section to sell items, then expand the grow options to highlight social features. Manage your content by accessing options through the Manage button and open navigation to move between sections easily. Continue customizing your landing page by adding new blocks, selecting links, and organizing digital products to maximize impact. Finally, share your completed page directly to Twitter to reach even more followers. You've learned the basics of building a custom landing page on Beacons AI. Try it yourself to grow your online presence.